We had a wonderful time, celebration. I think it's also more in the COVID. So I became positive of COVID at December, and because of that, obviously, I think I have symptoms at all. I tested positive, and the isolation now, there was no pain, there was no serious coughing, as I have a problem in my head, but one thing fell out to you were isolated from people. But you were able to get into isolation. And I'm sure but we want to mix with people and celebrate with them. Really, to be alone in a room is not something easy. It's very, very, very difficult. And I try to level every end of the year, just to say thank you to ourselves. In isolation. That was painful. I'm sure it's true for all of us. We want to be free. We want to do what we want. We don't want to at our best. Because obviously, when you're in isolation, is something shorter because how and that is very, very painful. Everything, but by that very fact, you are not at your best because now, this thing is confined, physical. Just simple, and emotional things, the reparation to be ourselves. They are offer. One of them, the fear, the truth. The truth. With fear, fear, for instance, it's difficult. Fear, because you fear to fail. Fear, the business because business fear is dangerous. It's always self-confidence. It's very difficult to do anything. So the fear, self-confidence. And it makes you not to be at your best because it's only physically, they can't be at their best. Fear, and it makes it difficult for you to be at your best, and it's something that is not good at all. I want you what fear does. The first reading came from the book of Isaiah or Isaiah. Isaiah, a vision. The glory of God, it says, the power of God. But around God, what he did, and that light, it is Lord, he became aware the whole night. And the just watch on it, all the way another way. La Salama Loba Aoga, Ula Shalakamala, and Maloba getting net. Throw those net again into the deep. And then Peter, I'm sure I'm going to Kimamo, Ago Jackson. Now, obviously, Peter Bele fisherman, Bele especially South. And then why Peter Marakimamo Jackson? One more and that regularity the whole night, Karasarasi, Marakaurian, Kitanolase, Ugunabana, home manage, Mutawa just celebrate was a Siba, was a Sami the Sapa, Mutaru, City Rega, Unyama Provaro, Uro. So I'm sure Peter will let him know what I know. Get our one job on the shop, and that's the net. And the body eye message, the body, what can I shop? That's a little as the one is for even those net, Mama at all, okay, because of Bunchi, Yannick. Can Peter and the more this man, one as a to fella, Kibuti. But the same thing is the guys, it didn't know Peter. That's why we like in a we still see this fear. Linda Bacheta Senori, the politician Pitari, Atamele, Abu Hukarane, a celebrity. Instead of that, he runs away. Kamakalo would say as a delay. So, just like as I said, physically, keep on at my best. But Papa today, Isaiah and Peter, Papa at their best because of something called CB. We see there Isaiah, he can't celebrate because what's not something says it all. Watch out. Remember Peter as well. Just open away, he can't celebrate because what's not something relationship, and to die in from this one. CV is dangerous in our relationship with one. If you leave for CV, isolation, you can't be at your best. Because when you have something, say no, once you come before God, because says the shine right into the soul. See, and the that's why Isaiah, but when he came close to God, he couldn't hide. Everything deep. That is why I he had something right. And when he realized it's difficult to be a powerful Christian. You can't have prayer, Jamaat. And when that thing happens, it must drop because Kitoma will let up confidence. I can't pray with confidence anymore. So this is what to learn today. Let's try to live our lives straight. Confidence. Let's try to follow you can't pray formula Chelsea Kennedy car arena car Amapilo arena. This is all about making service to Tamsona today. I believe really everybody will know. Obvious for a Tamatimu and the Rata Manama. Heo Rapela, when you want to make I believe everybody will know. When you want to react, I believe in all of us here. Reminding breakthrough. And then they will make sure the first secret is this: you need to be straight. Because there is no way power can come down. Can be straight. Because it's a matter of when I start to pray, the don't run enough, Jack Matthews. It don't only Peter. When I start to pray, the one in the matter, do not any thought about what I did for Puja, and the general memory, get to know Sarah Pelama because there are things generally in Switzerland. Doesn't anybody never to like a fool. Put a hand about that something to Jenny Palisha will give me powerful more. And the Satan to many to condemn you so that it's not going to be but what about it? Health is not condemned because the Rapella Kamata and the ones that are Rapella Kamata are very much full of food. I'm checking up on that, especially Katakoya and the Medina, rich Kokishin Kamoha, so that the Hono will be strong. My Punelama, Tanane, by number baby, Bulo, Zamaya, Nasiona, but you won't pass about today, so that the Hono will be right. And the Pule. And then after immediately, would you want to be able to share get over Mama Isaiah and Lama get Naya Gianna who he was afraid, but now he's confident. Reasoning at first he was afraid but after he was confident enough whenever if we do what is right to confessor in the confidence. This guy sin destroys my relationship with God, it destroys my faith, it destroys the power of prayer. If we can have power in the prayer, progress, miracles. First start, it's Amen.